Okay, I just received my tornado tank system in the mail and I haven't opened it. I'm about to do the unboxing right now. First things first, we have the kit. I have very poor lighting. So we have the kit, and inside of the kit is 2 batteries with switch protectors and 2 atomizers, 2 blank cartridges that are clear that have special uses later, the user manual, a storage pouch, five different strength pre-filled cartridges. I have menthol, a USB charger, and a wall adapter. See this USB charger. There's a notice that says don't use it on 510s, which is understandable. I also got some extras. I have a Tornado USB pass-through manual, which should be its own battery. Yes. As you can see on the standard battery, it's just a battery with a standard charge port. Except you can plug it into your USB port and charge while you vape while you charge. Let's do that. Okay, the initial system use. I also got 5 empty cartridges with black tips and supplement, and a 30 ml of my favorite Totally Wicked Red Label. This time I have banana, and I only have an 11 milligram because I like to use it more frequently with less strength, personally. And I'm going to go ahead and do the initial setup and be back with you in just a moment. Okay, I've currently got the second battery charging and the first battery's all fired up. When we come back to reality, I lit myself up a little better so we could see what was going on. This is the assembled unit. I like the size of this device. Alright, I haven't really done any break-in or anything like that, so we're just going to see how it acts right out of the box, and if I need to continue I will. Really nice vapor production. I like it. It carries the flavor very well. We use a lot of different carts and a lot of different atomizers and a lot of different e-cigarettes, and this one has a really nice draw. You don't have to go so weak, and you don't have to really force on it. I like the way this breathes. Really good at carrying the flavor. Oh, this is going to be my new main personal. e-nic, as Totally Wicked calls them. I think that this is fantastic. I like the draw, I like the flavor. I'm going to do an update for you guys after I use it for a couple of days on atomizer performance, how it holds up, if it's wearing out prematurely, how easily it clogs, things like that. And I will amend it to this video before I put it up, probably tomorrow. I'll use it all night tonight and see how it works, but initial impressions, seven out of 10. If you prefer a really heavy throat hit. The throat hit isn't the strongest device I've used, but it is really nice. I actually kind of felt it a little bit on that one. A little bit stronger. I'll experiment with how to draw on it and see what I can come up with. And it'll be an instant for you, but a few hours for me at least. I'll be back. I'm actually back a little earlier than I had anticipated because I'm going to go ahead and check the performance of the USB pass-through that I got to you because I haven't messed with the tornadoes yet. See if the voltage is any different, if the hit changes at all. Oh wow. It's gotten broken in a little bit. It did take a little bit of time to get the factory atomizer protector liquid that's in them out. It's performing much stronger now that it's been through its paces just a little bit. Oh. Haven't done that in a minute with an e-cigarette. Wow, that just brought me to cough. Well, I really like the performance so far. And like I said, I'm going to make that update hour. I was just trying out the pass-through. It works out well, too. I just wanted to show what kind of vapor production I'm getting when I'm using a juice that I'm familiar with. And not the stuff that came in the pre-packaged. So I'm just going to take a couple hits and we'll see if they make it in the final cut. And this extreme close-up is to show you with the clear tip what it looks like as it changes. You can see the tip fill with vapor. That was alright, so here we are at day 2. I've been messing around with them. I've filled them with my own liquid. I don't know if you can see this. I've got everything all tried out and messed with. I haven't had problem 1 with these. I read on the forums that if you ever start to lose flavor and you need to prime them, you just give 4 short hits. Just 4 sharp little hits and then that pulls all the vapor right back out down into the atomizer. It's very nice. Absolutely wonderful. I fully endorse this product. They did not send this to me for free for review. I purchased this on good faith. They delivered in ways that I never imagined. I've used a lot of e-cigarettes, and this is my favorite for mobility and ease of use by far. Very good flavor. I like it. Thumbs up. Joytech. In summation, I really like the device. I've converted several of my vape friends over already. They've already went and ordered their kits after they tried mine with fresh cartridges. I really like this device.